Another day, another story. 10 powerful techniques for a powerful mind. Welcome to our video on 10 powerful techniques that will help you reprogram your mind for success. In this video, we will explore proven strategies to shift your mindset, overcome limiting beliefs, and unlock your true potential. These techniques can transform your life and lead you toward achieving your goals and aspirations. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-transformation and empowerment. Keywords. 1. Mindset transformation. 2. Overcoming limiting beliefs. 3. Reprogramming the mind. 4. Unlocking potential. 5. Achieving success. Welcome to our channel, where we believe in transforming lives through the power of the mind. In today's video, we will share with you 10 powerful techniques to reprogram your mind for success. Whether you desire success in your career, relationships, or personal development, these techniques will guide you toward achieving your goals. So, let's dive in. Technique 1. Positive affirmations. Our minds are incredibly powerful, and the words we speak to ourselves hold tremendous influence over our beliefs and actions. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that help rewire the brain to create positive thought patterns. By repeating affirmations such as, "I am capable of achieving greatness," or, "I attract success into my life," you begin to reshape your mindset towards positivity, possibility, and success. Technique 2. Visualization. Visualization is a technique used by successful individuals across various fields. By vividly imagining your goals and desired outcomes, you create a mental image that aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. Visualization helps program your mind to focus on positive possibilities and provides the motivation and direction needed to achieve your goals. Technique 3. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a powerful force in rewiring the mind for success. By cultivating a gratitude practice, you shift your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life. Regularly expressing gratitude for the blessings, achievements, and positive aspects of your life train your mind to seek out opportunities and appreciate the journey toward success. Technique 4. Eliminating negative influences. Surrounding yourself with negative influences can hinder your progress toward success. It's essential to identify and eliminate toxic relationships, negative self-talk, and external sources that drain your energy. By consciously choosing positive environments and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals, you create an empowering space for growth and achievement. Technique 5. Embracing failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is not the opposite of success but an integral part of the journey toward it. When you reframe failure as an opportunity for growth and learning, you unleash your true potential. Embrace failures as stepping stones towards success. See them as valuable lessons that refine your skills, and maintain an unwavering belief in your ability to overcome obstacles. Technique 6. Reprogramming limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are deeply ingrained thoughts that hold you back from realizing your potential. Challenge these beliefs by critically evaluating their origins and validity. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones that align with your goals and aspirations. Reprogramming your mind involves consciously choosing thoughts that support your growth, success, and happiness. Technique 7. Mindfulness and Meditation. Mindfulness and meditation techniques help quiet the mind, increase self-awareness, and create a deep sense of inner calm. Regular practice can help you detach from negative thoughts, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being. By mastering these techniques, you can focus your mind on the present moment, enabling better decision-making and increased productivity. Technique 8. Daily goal setting and positive habits. Success is often achieved through consistent daily actions. By setting clear goals and breaking them down into achievable steps, you create a roadmap toward success. Additionally, adopting positive habits, such as time management, self-discipline, and continuous learning, nurtures a mindset of success and propels you closer to your desired outcomes. Technique 9. Seeking growth opportunities. Growth comes from stepping out of your comfort zone. Embrace new challenges, seek opportunities for personal and professional development, and engage in lifelong learning. By continuously expanding your knowledge, skills, and experiences, you build a foundation for success and open doors to unforeseen opportunities. Technique 10. Celebrating achievements and practicing self-care. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, provides positive reinforcement and keeps you motivated on your journey to success. Additionally, practicing self-care is vital for maintaining optimal mental and emotional well-being. Prioritize self-care activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, such as exercise, healthy eating, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. Congratulations on completing this video on 10 powerful techniques for reprogramming your mind for success. Remember, the key to success lies within you. By consistently applying these techniques, you can transform your mindset and achieve the success you desire. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next empowering video. Thanks for watching.